at 12 o'clock night I wanted some printout, and at morning 6 o'clock he went to the Xerox shop and bought me the printout.
पापा मेरे लिए बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, मेरे लिए टॉयज दिलाते हैं, वो चाहे उनके पास पैसे हो या ना हो, फिर भी वो हमें घुमाने ले जाते हैं.
All of you, whatever you people feel towards your father, whatever your father does, you have to pour out all the emotions, whatever you want to say to him, or you were unable to say till now. I would really like you to write it on a piece of paper in the form of a letter.
My superhero dad, your sweet little daughter. I know that you are going through many health issues right now, unable to do many things, but you never made me feel that I am not able to enjoy my childhood. You have always fulfilled all my wishes.
Hi Papa, happy Father's Day. You're my hero. Your guidance has made me very strong. You and Amma are like Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati on earth.
It is my best friend. I cannot think anything beyond a paper. मैं अभी भी लिख के याद रखना ज़्यादा बिलीव करती हूँ. आई मेक माई टू डू नोट्स. तो पेपर तो इज़ पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ.
आगे जाके अब इतना कामयाब होना है कि माँ बाप घर बैठ जाएं और जो बोले मैं ला सकूँ, जिस चीज़ पे भी हाथ धरे वो मैं दिला सकूँ.
It is very good. No, they are forgotten to write in the papers and all those things. At least for their Father's Day and all those things, they are trying to write something in the papers. No.
In my childhood, we used to write a letter and we used to wait for weeks to receive a reply from them. And we used to preserve it as a valuable document. Still now, I have a couple of letters with me. So whenever I open and read that message, I go back to my old memory and it gives me a lot of happiness and pleasure.
Thank you JK Paper for this wonderful initiative. It gave our children also an opportunity to showcase their talent, their feelings, their emotions.
So what do you do with paper? Most naughtiest thing?
We make rockets, we tear papers, put it on the dustbins, and unnecessary waste is created, and some people don't even give the newspaper to this.
There are few brand names which are shown.
JK Ecosip.
One fantastic clap for him. How many tons of plastics?
350 plus million.
Correct answer.
I learned about the importance of paper and how JK Paper makes paper. They are not cutting trees but harvesting them.
When I come to the school, it's absolute therapy for me, for seeing these children smile. And that's what actually drove us. For one of the major things that we wanted was to take them back to our times, and that we felt was by putting a letter box, which is helping children across the school to participate with age-appropriated topics.
We live in a joint family and I kind of have 3 fathers. So it's 3 brothers, so I kind of have 3 fathers. Each has a very different role in my life.
बहुत सारा टाइम ऐसा होता है जब मैं आपके साथ अपनी चीज़ें एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाता हूँ. आई एम वेरी सॉरी फॉर दैट. आई वॉन्ट टू ब्रिंग अ लॉट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस इन द फैमिली. इसीलिए मैं इतनी मेहनत कर रहा हूँ और मैं इतनी मेहनत हमेशा आगे करता रहूँगा.
Today everybody on the social media, abbreviations are used left, right and center to formulate a letter unless we inculcate the habit in them. Another 10 years, 15 years it may get extinct. This is a very good initiative that JK Paper has done on this aspect.
Daddy!
What's up?
I wrote this letter for you. I want to thank you for always taking good care of Amma, me and Akka. Even if we sometimes have silly fights and act unruly, I just want you to know that we all love you a lot. I express a lot of love to my father every single day the minute he comes back. But I feel writing it in a letter is a different and a better way to show it to my father.
It's really a tremendous great feeling. It's a surprise, and the emotions what he's showed up here touches here.
पापा बहुत फनी है और क्यूट है, हमेशा मेरी हेल्प करते हैं और बहुत अच्छा.
जान छूट जाएगी, बच्चे नहीं छूटेंगे जी. पहले हमारे बड़े बुजुर्ग थे, वो हमारे लिए भगवान थे, हमारे फादर हमारे लिए भगवान थे. अब हम ये सोचते हैं ये बच्चे ही हमारे लिए भगवान का रूप लेके आए हैं.
मेरे पापा के पास टाइम ना होते हुए भी वो मुश्किल से मुझे टाइम दे पाते, बट वो टाइम देते हैं मुझे. I love him.
Why are you crying? अभी क्या कर रहे हो?
रिश्ता कुछ ऐसा है हमारा जैसे रूह और जिस्म का हो नज़ारा। हर दुख में वो साथ निभाते हैं। पिताजी तो हैं जो हमें जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं।
Happy Father's Day, Papa. I'm very grateful of God to have you as my father.
If there was any competition of the best father, the first prize would go to you.
Thank you, Papa, for everything. I love you, miss you. Happy Father's Day to the best dad in the world. I love you and thank you, JK Papers, for making it more memorable.
Thank you, JK Paper. Happy Father's Day.
Say yes to paper. Happy Father's Day. Say yes to paper. Happy Father's Day.